How to copy slides to another PowerPoint. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. As you can see, I have two PowerPoint opened. If I want to copy from the first, simply click on the slides I want to copy. If you want to select multiple, simply click on Shift on your keyboard and select the slides. And open another slide, go to Home and then press on Paste. After you press on Paste, the slides you selected earlier will be pasted in here in order, and the slides that were only selected will be pasted in another slide. This is how to copy slides to another PowerPoint. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.